Hello everyone! In today's video we will learn how to replace the hard drive of an Acer Aspire V5-122P. This is an older Acer laptop with a COLED keyboard, making the hard drive replacement process easier. While some computers require even keyboard disassembly to access the hard drive, in this case we will simply remove the back cover. Let's start by disassembling the Acer. To do this, we will remove all the screws from the back panel. Remember that there is a small back cover that also has a screw. Once all the screws are removed, we will carefully take off the cover. Here we will see the battery and the hard drive is located in this area. We will disconnect the cable connected to the hard drive and then unscrew the two screws holding it in place. Once unscrewed, we will carefully lift the hard drive and disconnect it completely. Next, we will remove the screw holding the hard drive on this side. Once the old hard drive is removed, we will install the new solid-state drive into the computer. Let's make sure to reassemble the base of the hard drive onto the new device. Once we have installed the new hard drive, let's ensure if this properly. We will reinsert the necessary screws and reconnect the hard drive. And that is for today. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.